So what we're going to show in this video is how you get your very own unique affiliate link from the merchants that you're promoting, and then we'll demonstrate how you add it into your own website content. Now, if you can grasp this principle, then you're already understanding the basics of affiliate marketing. So I've put together a couple of examples to demonstrate how it works. The first one's going to be the Amazon Associates affiliate program. So most people are familiar with Amazon. They're one of the biggest companies in the world, and the affiliate program is really easy to join. Secondly, we're going to show a more lucrative example of how you can generate recurring income from one affiliate link to a subscription-based service. Okay guys, so I've logged into my Amazon Associates affiliate program, and the first thing you might see is at the top there's something called Amazon Associates SiteStripe. This allows you to go and find products and then generate the link. Alright, so I'm going to do a quick search for something called the A-Team, which is just like an 80s TV show. So I think I'd go for this because it's a decent value product. So I then go to the product page as if I was a normal shopper, but I'm not buying this, I'm creating an affiliate link. So at the top in SiteStripe, I've got three choices. I can create text and image, just an image on its own, or a text link. Okay, I'm just going to go with a text link in this particular situation. So I'm going to copy that link. So now I've headed over to my blog. I'm writing a blog on the A-Team. This is based on WordPress, which is a really simple system to start blogging with. I've just written a little bit of text, a picture, and now I'm going to put the link to buy from Amazon. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the text and then click hyperlink. I'm going to paste the text that I copied from Amazon. I want it to open in a new tab. Then I would click publish to publish the post. So on the actual post itself, this is now being published. If a reader clicks this link, they will then get redirected to Amazon in a new tab. So the next question is, how do you earn money from the link? So the customer has clicked on your link, come over to Amazon, arrived on the product page. Now if they clicked add to cart, then they will be spending $119.90. Now you will get paid a commission from that purchase, which in this particular case will be 2.5%. So it'll be just less than $3. So not a huge amount of money. But if the person carried on shopping and purchased other products, then you would also earn commission for anything else they bought. And some of those commissions, such as products like women's fashion, men's and kids private label products, they have higher commission rates of 10%. So you can earn extra money from continued shopping. So while you can earn money from Amazon and the product range is really large, the bigger commissions come from promoting niche affiliate programs, or niche affiliate programs as some people pronounce it. These will generally come with much higher commissions. So an example of this is GetResponse. Now GetResponse offer a range of products, but they're probably best known for their email list management software. Now in a nutshell, a website owner would build mailing lists using software like GetResponse. So whereas you've got commission rates with Amazon that range from 1% to 10%, GetResponse will give you a flat 33% commission on every single plan that they offer. So if we look at their plans, the plans range from between $15 to $1,199 per month. So as an affiliate with 33% commission, the bottom line would be you would earn between $5 and just less than $400 for one single referral. Obviously, it depends what plan they take out. But here's the big thing here, and this is what splits this from programs like Amazon. This is subscription-based software, so you don't just earn that figure once. You earn that figure every single month that the person you've referred remains a subscriber. So if you refer 10 people or businesses to the enterprise plan here, you would actually earn 10 times $395 a month as a recurring income. These are platforms that we call software as a service. You can promote this type of affiliate program in exactly the same way as you can do with Amazon. So in my affiliate panel, GetResponse are providing me with a unique link. I would just copy that and I would paste it into my blog. And then if people click on the link and then subscribe to GetResponse, I start making affiliate commissions. Now the good thing with GetResponse also is the quality of the promotional material they provide you as an affiliate. Now what I mean by that is they provide banners, email ads, text ads, infographics, videos, signatures, logos, all promotional materials to help you promote their product. So this is really what I would call a perfect affiliate program.